Hey everybody, welcome back. So I'm inside of Dollar Tree, and this is my first time ever seeing this one, the little trinket dish that looks like a dinosaur.
Please.
That's kind of cool. I still see the other ones that we've seen before, but I've never seen that. And then over here I see these little angels like that. So those are different, same colors on all of those. But yeah, so I'm in here just walking around, gonna take a look and see if there's anything that pops out at me. Oh, I like that little box with the gold lettering that says Noel. You get 2 of them, and then this side it has the Christmas trees. Look at that. That's really nice. And just scanning through the stickers. These are still cute. I like those. They have the birds, and look at the llamas. Wood numbers. You get 20 of them in there. Here's some cute pencil cases right here. Little tin cans. Be Your Own Beautiful. You have that one. The dinosaur. Out of This World. System Galaxy. And then this one back here. They have some new binders with some prints. There's a dinosaur. Let's see that one. The rocket ships. And what was this one? Oh, that's cute. Look at these new candles right here. Spiced Bay Rum. Spirit of Tennessee. They look like little barrels. These are Old Williamsburg. You have rye whiskey. And here's cognac, honey cognac. They have some new e.l.f. Stipple Brushes right here. That's kind of cool. That's the only ones that I see as far as those. They still have these. Here's some nice little cosmetic bags. These are Modella right here. Not bad. And this is actually like a canvas material. I see that print. The black and white. And then I also see this colorful one back there. And I don't see any other prints, just those 3. And they are restocking the clear cosmetic bags like that in black or red. And then over here in the toy section, they have a desktop cornhole. 2 game boards. That's what it says, and it comes with the little things for you to throw over. Oh, that's kind of cool, I guess, if you're at work and you feel like playing. I normally don't show Dollar Tree when it's like really messy, but for this is like my 4th store that I've been to this week where it just seems like people are coming in and just like thrashing the store. I don't know if it's like they're looking for stuff for Christmas or what they doing, but this is so sad to me. I walked in, I said, I am shocked and appalled at this mess. Oh my gosh. Here's some new Hanken Signs right here. And it has the thing at the top for you to hang it up. So I see that one. And I see this one. Those are really nice. And then right next to it, I see these dice. Stay wild, shine bright, be bold. This one says coffee break, lunchtime, be awesome. Work hard. And then there's a pink one with places on it: LA, Paris, Sydney, Rome. Okay. Oh, here's some new signs: eat, sleep, game, repeat, with the little play button on it. 5 more minutes. That one says wild and free. On the back it says dream big, superstar status, too cute for this planet. That one is cute. And I think that's all I see right here. Oh, sleep all day with a narwhal, and on the back of it it says dance all night with a unicorn. Here's some hangers that I haven't seen. They have the gray ones with the rose gold top, swivel head hangers. So the top is like a rose gold, nothing fancy or anything like amazing, but I just never seen those with the rose gold, and they do have the silver. Right here you have some Naturebox hand soap. This one is what does it say? Macadamia oil. created without silicones, 100% cold pressed, or you can get coconut oil. So macadamia oil or coconut oil. I think I'm going to get one of each and try them out. Hopefully they're not like super watery and they get real sudsy, because I've never had this brand before. They have some more bag tags. This one is kind of cute. It's a taco, and then I see french fries. Okay, you guys, that's it today inside of the Dollar Tree. I hope you enjoyed this walk, and I'll talk to you real soon in another video. Okay, bye.